Welcome to our lush cabbage garden, where nature thrives and fresh produce grows in abundance. Take a look at this beautiful cabbage. Its thick green leaves protect the firm head inside, packed with nutrients and freshness. But as you can see, nature has its way of testing our crops. These little holes, they are the work of garden visitors, insects that love cabbages just as much as we do. Despite these minor imperfections, our cabbages are growing strong, absorbing the goodness of the soil, rain, and sunshine. With a little care and organic pest control, we ensure that each cabbage reaches its full potential, ready for your kitchen. From our farm to your table, fresh and naturally grown. This is what real, healthy food looks like. As its leaves unfurled, the plant welcomed the morning dew, danced with the gentle breeze, and stood firm against the storms. But nature always brings its challenges. Tiny visitors arrived, nibbling at the leaves, leaving their mark as a reminder that every plant plays a role in the cycle of life. Yet with care and patience, this humble cabbage continued its journey, drawing strength from the rich soil and the nurturing hands that tended to it. Slowly but surely, it formed its heart, layer upon layer of crisp green leaves wrapping around each other, locking in freshness, flavor, and the essence of nature itself. Now standing proud in the garden, this cabbage tells a story of resilience, patience, and the magic of growth. From a single seed to a bountiful harvest, ready to be plucked, prepared, and shared. A simple yet powerful gift from nature to your table.